Do this right, so I'm going to look at it for every one of you. You need to do the right question, how to use independent and dependent variable to determine the rate of change. So you find the independent and dependent variable to get to ordered pair, so you need to use the word ordered pair to help you determine the x and the y and of it, and then use it. After that, you can use the slope formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You have to write all these things down, okay? Here's this one. Lashana is making jewelry to sell at craft. On Monday, she made 12 bracelets. On Tuesday, she worked additional 2.5 hours. That time is always independent. Has a total of 22 bracelets. Therefore, she already made 12, a total of 22, so in 2.5 hours she made 10 bracelets. Determine the time it takes Lashana to make one bracelet. Okay, that's x sub 2, y sub 2, right? So if put in 0 hours, she made 0 bracelets. That's the other one. We're not going to use this 12. 12 only help us to determine this right here, right? So determine time it takes to make one bracelet. So x sub 1, y sub 1. So you do 10, the slope formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or the rate of change formula, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So you do 10 minus 0 over 2.5 minus 0. So 10 over 2.5. 1 over, so that's 100, right? 100 divided by 25 is 4 over 1. So 4 bracelets for every hour. How long does it take one bracelet? Well, then 15 minutes per hour. There's 60 minutes in an hour, so one bracelet, it takes you 15 minutes. One bracelet per minute for every 15 minutes. Bracelet, right? Bracelet for every 15 minutes. Okay, that's one bracelet. Nina and her friends are going to downtown to Rib Festival. Festival organizer expect 10,000 people to attend the four-day festival. At the end of the festival, organizers said that they had exceeded their expectation attendance of 2,000 people. By 2,000, determined the average number of people that attended. They exceeded. So for 4 days, they exceeded, they expected 10,000, so they got 12,000 people. They exceeded their attendance by 2,000 people. Determine the average number of people attend per day. Okay, so that's x sub 2, y sub 2. That was the result of 4 days. 0 days, 0 people. So 12,000, right? X sub 2, 12,000 minus 0 is 12,000, and over 4, because 4 minus 0 is 4. You get 3,000 per day. $3,000 people per day. Yep, that's what it says right here. 3,000 people. Oh, number 3 is 2 bracelets per hour. Nico spends 2.5 hours a croissant, baking croissant for Community Bakes Center sales. She bakes 90 croissants in 5 batches. The result is the croissant. Number of batches comes first. So 5 batches make 90 croissants. Okay. She baked the 90 croissants in 5 batches. Okay. Determine number of batches per hour. Okay. She baked 90 croissants. We want the number of batches. Okay, so 2.5 hours. She baked 5 batches. So number of batches per hour. So 0 hours, 0 batches, and you do it the same as the other one. Okay, Nelson is selling his photos at the festival. The festival is open 6 hours each day for 3 days. At the conclusion of the festival, Nelson sold 54 photos. Determine number of photos sold per hour. So 6 hours for 3 days is 18 hours total. So he did 18 hours and he sold 54 photos. 0 hour, 0. Find the rate per day just like you did right here. Clayton wants to purchase tickets for the rides at a carnival. He can choose to purchase tickets individually or he can choose it as a ticket package. The package includes 25 tickets for this much. Determine the cost per ticket if you purchase the packet. Same thing. You just divide. So it's 25 tickets for $18.75 and then 0 packet, 0 tickets. Divide, multiply, do like the other one. And the answer is right here. Tameka is planning a hiking trip. The trail she would like to follow is this long. She plans to start at 10 a.m. She hopes to reach the end of the trail at 3 p.m. Determine number of miles per hour plans to hike. Okay, so basically 7.5 miles in 10 to 3 is 5 hours in 5 hours. 0 hours, 0 miles. Okay, so that's 5 hours times the number of miles. You'll find the rate of change. I don't like these questions. Anyways, determine whether the respective table are linear. If so, calculate the rate of change. Okay, this was nonlinear and this was. So find the rate of change in this table. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So pick 2 ordered pair, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, and find the rate of change there. Okay? Determine the slope. Tell me if it's negative, 0, or undefined. List all corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles. It's just the same, like angle A. It's all pairs, so all of them. Angle A corresponds to angle C. Okay, angle B corresponds to angle D. Angle E corresponds to angle G. E, G, and you've put the last one in there. Okay, alternate interior. Guys need to remember what's an alternate interior. Okay, good luck. Class started.